Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to sort data in Excel based on one column. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many data. Now I am want to sort data based one column. Now we can see here the first column. Now we sort the data based this column. Select this multiple row column. Then go to the home menu and select the auto sum drop down menu. Then select the, now we can see here the sort or filter option. Now I am select the filter option. We can see here two options, sort smallest to largest or the largest to smallest. Now I am select the largest to smallest. We select the continue with the same current section, click sort. We can see we sort the data in Excel based on one column easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.